Can you imagine a world without cell phones and internet? I can only imagine. It has so many advantages, too numerous to mention, right? However, do you know it also has its disadvantages, especially on the study habits of students? The same is applicable to friction. We cannot imagine a world without friction. How would our cars come to a halt? How would we walk and not sleep? How would we press our clothes? How would we hold our cup of drinking water? The list goes on and on. However, this indispensable friction has its disadvantages. It causes wear and tear. It is the reason the sole of your shoes and the tire in the vehicles wear out. Really? Yes, it is. Today, we have learned that the concept called friction is important. Friction between pen and paper enables us to write on the paper. It enables us to hold a pen. Friction between our feet and the ground allows our movements like standing, which I am, walking, and running. It holds the screw in wood. Friction between surfaces of the road and the tires of our vehicles allows the vehicles to move without slipping. However, it has its side effects. Friction produces heat, but some of the energy is wasted in overcoming friction. Now, it causes wear and tear of soles of our shoes. For example, the sole of our shoes wear out after prolonged use because of friction with the rough surface. Now, the heat produced by friction damages rubber parts of the machine. Friction causes moving objects to stop or slow down. Those are the disadvantages of friction, but I'm sure you love the advantages too. I'll see you in the next class.